Welcome to Hanxin Video. Today we are introducing our LED strobe light SL11. First of all, we turn on the power to DC 12 and then we connect red to positive and black to negative, and the yellow one is to change the flashing patterns. There are totally 18 flashing patterns and we will show you some of them. There are 6 pieces LEDs in one strobe light and each LED is 3 watts. So SL11 is 18 watts. Now you can see the different flashing patterns. And we have another function. It means memory function. When we turn off the power, the light will start flashing where it stops. One piece LED strobe light is in a white box.